Nigel Gregory here with Blue Griffin Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to use a power sander. First things first, you want to always use your protective gear. Good vapor mask, hearing protection, and eye protection is very important. These sanders can produce a lot of noise and dust, so it's important to wear those. Now when selecting the right kind of paper to use on your sander, consider what you want to accomplish with the wood. If you're stripping something or if it's really rough, if you want to make it really smooth, you typically want to start with a lower number, a coarser grit, and that will really strip the wood for you. And then as it gets to your liking and gets dents out or material off of it, you want to use a higher numbered grit, for instance like 150 or even a 220. 220 is used for finishing, and that will get the wood really, really smooth and perfect for stains or shellacs or things of that nature. You don't have to go very high for paint, for instance. I would recommend maybe 100, 150 max for wood that you want to sand for if you're just going to paint it. But the first thing you want to do is place the sander down on the wood firmly and plug it in, and then activate it. And just sand. It goes in a circular motion, so make sure that you hold it fairly tightly so that it doesn't get away from you. But that's essentially how you use a power sander.